Hey everyone, this is Jhalak and welcome to my channel Sassy Ornate. Here we are going to see how we can convert an oversized t-shirt into cute raffle top without sewing. So for this we require an oversized t-shirt and then we'll measure our breast part. Then we'll mark the lines and cut it. For me, I have taken it 8 inches. Then we'll take the bottom part and cut it into 2 equal halves, 3 to 4 inches each. After that, we'll take the upper part of the t-shirt and cut 4 strips of 2 cm each. Then we'll stretch them a bit. So here are our cutouts. Now take the 8-inch part and fold the edge like this, then take a sharp scissor and make small cuts on it. Space between each cut is 1 inch. Now once we have made cuts on both edges, then we move towards our 2 equal strips and fold it in such a way that one side is larger than the other, and now make cuts on it in a similar manner. Then lay that part over the 8-inch part . And then take a safety pin, attach it with this 2 cm broad strip. Then move it up and down through the both layer. Once it is done, then tie the knot. Do the same with the upper part. Now for making shoulder strap, take another 2 cm strap and tie it. So here's the look with a sexy bag which you're going to get. Now moving on to the other pattern, we'll just need to change the strap, and for this we'll take net fabric which is not too soft neither too hard. Then fold it in such a way so that you can get 4 strips of width 5 inches and length 10 inches approx. So here's the strip, and this is what we are going to make. For this, take 2 strips and tie it in such a way that you make a bow. And stretch the ends of the bow properly so that you can get a perfect shape. Now take the ends and fold it in such a way . Then make small cuts. Here you need to be very precise while cutting because net fabric is fragile.
So
So here are the cuts that I have done. Then we layer it with the other two layers and then move the safety pin up and down through the cuts as we have done before. Then leave 2 to 3 holes. Do the same with the front part. And here it is. If you want to know me and my work more, so check out the description box given below. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.